Most people compare cash advance apps without understanding how they actually work, and that is the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Because the real difference is not just features, but how each app decides when you can access money. In this video, we are breaking down Cleo versus Brigit in 2026, so you can clearly understand which one is better for your situation. Let's start with the basics. Cleo is an AI-powered financial assistant that helps you track spending, budget your money, and in some cases, access cash advances. Brigit is a more structured cash advance app that focuses on helping you avoid overdraft fees and get short-term funds when needed. Now here's what most people don't realize. These apps are not loans in the traditional sense. They are based on your income patterns, bank activity, and spending behavior. So your approval is not guaranteed even if you used the app before. Let's break down how they actually work. Cleo uses a chatbot-style system. You can ask it questions like "How much did I spend this week?" and it responds in simple language. Over time, it analyzes your habits and gives suggestions to improve your money management. Brigit works differently. It focuses more on financial stability and often requires a subscription for full access to cash advances and features like overdraft protection alerts. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you are like Alex, who wants both budgeting help and occasional cash support, Cleo feels more flexible. But if you are like Jake, who mainly wants a safety net before payday, Brigit feels more structured and predictable. But here's the problem most users face. They assume both apps will always give instant cash. That is not true. If your income is inconsistent or your bank account activity is unstable, both apps may reduce or deny advances. Let's talk about cash advance limits. Brigit is often known for more consistent advance structures, especially for users who maintain steady deposits. Cleo's limits can vary more depending on your financial behavior and eligibility factors. Now let's compare speed. Both apps can send money quickly once approved, but Brigit is designed specifically around emergency financial protection, while Cleo balances AI budgeting and occasional advances. In a minute, I'll explain which app is better for long-term financial control versus emergency situations, because that is where the real decision becomes clear. Now let's talk about fees. Brigit usually operates on a subscription model for full features. Cleo may also include optional paid tiers depending on your region and usage. So neither app is completely free if you want full functionality. Let's talk usability. Cleo feels like chatting with an AI financial assistant that teaches you about your spending. Brigit feels more like a financial safety tool, built to prevent overdrafts and handle emergencies. So which one wins? If your main goal is budgeting and financial awareness with flexible cash support, Cleo is stronger. If your main goal is predictable cash advances and overdraft protection, Brigit is more reliable. Let's summarize clearly. Cleo is best for learning your spending habits and managing money with AI guidance. Brigit is best for emergency cash protection and more structured financial support. The right choice depends on whether you want financial coaching or financial safety. If this comparison helped you understand Cleo versus Brigit in 2026, make sure to like the video, comment which app you prefer, and subscribe for more simple financial breakdowns.